Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip focuses on hair pulling and what you can do to stop or reduce it. Today's video focuses on cognitive strategies. This is only one video in a series of very different strategies for hair pulling. So please take a look at the whole series and consider the idea of mixing up different strategies, because from day to day, one might work better than the other. And please also don't forget to subscribe for your weekly tips and tricks. So when you're looking at cognitive methods, you're looking at doing things like leaving yourself notes to try to give yourself a reminder to stop hair pulling. So if you're pulling in a certain room of your house, or you find that you're using maybe a certain chair more often than others, maybe there's a pattern to it, you want to leave yourself notes around those areas, or even perhaps avoid those areas and do tasks in a different type of a room. So leaving yourself notes and leaving yourself reminders can be a helpful way to just keep it on the surface of consciousness so that you're not hair pulling in a way that isn't really noticeable to you. You may want to tell your family and friends also to help you stop hair pulling. So if they notice it, they might want to use some kind of a signal, a really discreet signal with you, so that you can learn how to stop and sort of interrupt it. Sometimes taking a piece of hair that's lying around the house, not that you pull from your head, and staring at it for a while until the urge to pull goes away can help with the management of pulling. So some people will actually try that method just to see if they can stare at it without pulling and sort of work at it until the urge goes away. Other people will actually try saying something to themselves, like a little phrase when they feel the urge to pull. And the phrase could be something like, I'm not going to pull, or the hairs all belong on my head, or something to just sort of help get them past the moment. So using cognitive strategies can be very helpful. And again, you can pair them up with all the other types of strategies that you'll be seeing in the video series. So think about ways to leave yourself reminders. Think about ways to let others give you reminders. If you're pulling in certain areas or you notice a pattern, change your pattern. Try to really vary it and try to give yourself some of that positive self-talk to sort of help you get through the moment.